Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to clear cache and cookies in the Mozilla Firefox browser on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Clearing cache and cookies helps fix slow browsing, loading issues, and also improves your privacy. So let's get started. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Now go to the top right corner and click on the menu icon. In the drop down menu, select settings. Under Firefox settings, select privacy and security in the left sidebar. On the right sidebar, scroll down to find cookies and site data section. Here click on the clean browsing data. Here you can choose time range from last hour to till today. After that, ensure to check cookies and site data and temporary cached files and pages. After that, click on the clear button. Now Firefox will remove all cache and cookies from your computer. That's it. Your browser data is now cleared, and that's how you can easily clear cache and cookies in Mozilla Firefox. This method is simple, quick, and does not require any technical steps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.